This is a continuation of our earlier tutorial on creating multiple SSID or virtual access point on a single wireless interface or a single physical wireless interface. To continue from where we stopped in our earlier video, access the resources at the wireless side. If you see here, we notice that we have previously created these virtual interfaces for the different access points and different wireless virtual interfaces. We have now created these virtual interfaces for the three different VLANs for the three different networks on the physical interface ETA 1. The next step for us now is to create a bridge. Create a bridge for each of the LAN blocks. We're going to create a bridge for finance network, a bridge for guest network, a bridge for project network. Why is it so? This bridge will enable us to bridge the wireless side of the network to the physical side of the network for each of these VLANs. Let's take, for instance, the finance network. Finance network has users on the wireless side that are using specific SSID on the access point, on the virtual access point called finance. They want to access the network resources on the physical network side of the finance network, of the finance LAN, of the finance LAN block. So this bridge will now bridge these two networks together onto one broker's domain, onto one network. Now, let us go ahead and create the bridge. To create a bridge, you go to bridge. When the bridge menu comes up, you click on the plus sign, and it will add a bridge for us. Now, this bridge, we're going to name it as appropriate. We start from the finance bridge. Finance bridge. You apply. Click on apply. Click on OK. The same thing, we create a bridge for projects. Project bridge. Click on apply, click on OK. Create a bridge for the guests. Guests bridge. Click on apply, click on OK. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to add the interfaces we had created in our previous videos for the various VLANs and the virtual access point interfaces to the respective bridges. So now let's take, for instance, the finance bridge. To add an interface to it, you go to ports on the bridge menu, ports. You click on the add. You choose the interface you want to add to a particular bridge. The interface we want to add to this bridge is interface finance VLAN, and the bridge we want to add it to is the finance bridge. You click on apply. Okay. Same thing for the project VLAN. You add it to the project bridge. Click on apply, click on OK. Same thing for the guest VLAN. You add it to the guest bridge. Click on apply and OK. Now we have added the 3 VLANs to their respective bridges. We now need to add the logical interfaces on the logical interfaces of the access point to their respective bridges. Click on port, click on add, click on, you choose the interface, you choose the bridge, apply, okay. Same thing for projects, choose the bridge, apply. Same thing for guests, you choose the bridge, apply. So what have we done now? We have bridged the finance VLAN interface and the finance logical or virtual interface of the access point. Same thing for all of them. So now we have 3 distinct LAN blocks. We have 3 distinct networks. We have 3 distinct broadcast domain. Crossing from the physical network on the Ether 1 side to the wireless side of the network. Now this is how, what we have achieved now is to create 3 different networks on the wireless side that will be able to access independently 3 different networks on the wired network side.